5,200 islands in total, but people lives in just 178 islands.
Okay.
Oh, the rest of the islands are all grass.
Some resorts. Like we have like 155 resorts now. So like 330 islands is like occupied, and rest of the islands are just uninhabited islands. We are no villages.
So they are not like it will be completely greenery, means there won't be.
Yeah,
like,
green. Yeah, full
Only
green.
fully
Yeah,
green.
low, all green.
This island also is being bought by Sai Lagoon, or it's like only operated by Sai Lagoon?
Yes.
We are just operating.
Yes.
We are not the owner.
Yes.
Yes. The Maldivians.
And I have never seen birds here. So like there are no small pigeons or sparrows
No.
here because I've never seen any bird here.
Yes. In Maldives actually we have.
We had seen that.
This one. Yeah. So this
Yes.
is like the most common one.
Yes, we have seen
Yeah,
this.
we seen yesterday also.
What is it? It's a.
It's called grey heron.
Great.
Some people
Okay.
call it crane.
Okay.
So in Maldives actually we have very limited number of birds and animals.
We won't have fish.
Yeah, it's very limited number. So just about 20 different types of birds.
Mm.
Cool position. So your language is Maldivian.
Our language is called Divegi, so we only talk in that language, so that's how the writing looks like.
Oh.
It's more like Arabic,
Okay.
but it sounds more like Urdu and like in language of Sri Lanka, Sinhalese.
Oh.
And also very much similar to Arabic. So we have a lot of common words to these three languages.
So this means this islands are close to Sri Lanka, I guess.
Not really. It's same as India. So I think it's about 1,000 kilometers. Not even 1,000. I think from India's land. But the first settlers from India.
Hardly means all are whatever the staffs here, all are Maldivians or expats.
Actually, we in like in here, like 60% are locals and like 40% are expats.
Expats are
Yeah, but in most of the resorts in Maldives, majority are from other countries.
other countries.
Yeah.
That's all. Yeah.
But in here, majority is like locals, and but even though the majority is locals, we have staffs from like 44 nationalities.
And you guys never go home, or this is your home in this place?
Not really. I'm from like my home is in this part of the Maldives, so we are in India. So like we just go for vacation like two, 3 times a year.
So you need to take a flight or?
We can go by flight, but we usually travel by seaplane because by speedboat, because speedboat it goes directly to the island.
Correct.
Yeah.
They have all these formalities.
But it's time consuming, so like from my island to Malé, it's like to here it's like 4 hours by speedboat. Yeah.
So where do you stay now? Like
In here we have a staff village.
stuff, yeah,
Stuff
stuff
village.
accommodation.
Here in your place means that a lot of means proper. It's popular. I mean, or it's like village style. Or
It's not really. In Maldives, actually, the communities are not like villages. I mean, they are very much into the world. I mean, their mind is very open. So, but like what we do have some islands in which the population is just 100 people only.
No.
Yes, and but in like I'm from this island, and my island is about 3,500 people. So like in Malé is like the most populous island. Originally the population of Malé is about 40,000 people, but now in Malé more than 350,000 people.
Mm.
So Malé is the capital of.
Malé is the
Capital of
Since the very
Maldives.
beginning, it was like the capital.
What is the population of Maldives?
It's 450,000.
Okay,
Yes, not even half a million.
very less.
Maldives is totally dependent tourism.
Right now, yes, about 65 to 70%.
Yeah, because
is
you
tourism.
don't have anything.
No natural resources, yes. Only like islands are there, so more resorts are coming actually. So we have
But this
resort-
one also is for tourists only.
Yes.
None of the Maldives incident. It will be for outsiders only.
Not really, even the locals come, but actually, even resorts, most of the locals cannot afford resorts, so they usually go to abroad. For
Yeah, that's what.
vacation.
Yeah, it's expensive. This resort.
Yeah, but some people actually, even we have hotel Sai Lagoon, so there are a lot of locals now staying.
So, like, do you have your own, what do you call, fruits, vegetables? Like, there are no lands here, so everything is imported, like all the materials.
Almost
are-
95% of the products are imported.
Oh,
So, and,
95%.
and mostly because our soil in Mali is not very much suitable for crops to grow.
Hmm.
And secondly, the population is so less to make it anything to grow because ultimately cost is so high to manufacture also.
Yes.
So Mali, they don't have anything special item like.
We do have
Only
it's your
tuna
original.
items we make actually. So
But
tuna
anything
we
for
export.
vegetarians?
No,
Because all is seafood.
yeah, it's all about seafood and all
Yeah,
this. No
so for
vegetarians are there.
vegetarians-
Yeah, vegetarian. That's what we are asking. So this coconut you have posted, this coconut is origin of Mali is different, or is the Sri Lankan one only?
Sorry?
The Sri Lankan one, the Sri Lankan.
No, this is only one coconut.
The Malian coconut.
Yes.
Here means life expectancy means people stay longer or means that.
It's long, guys. I think right now the average is about 68 years. 78
Yeah,
years.
that is very nice. Because it's air is and
Yeah,
there is no
pollution free.
here. That's a
Because if I'm taking pictures here, the clarity is completely different as compared to India. Like no pollution, nothing.
Yeah.
The sky is beautiful. Like yesterday we experienced so beautiful sunset, like all pinkish and orangish. So is it every day or
Yeah,
only
it's
yesterday?
every day.
It's
But
every day.
sometimes it looks a little bit foggy, but not because of the, pollution, mostly because of the humidity.
Yeah.
But here it's rain.
It rains a lot, yeah. Especially this is known for the rainy season in Maldives.
Is it rainy
June
season?
and July is like the 2 months where it rains the most in Maldives, but
Okay.
actually this year is quite not that much.
That's what
compared to the
I was
other-
expecting the rain.
Yeah. Because it's too hot outside.
It feels
Now
like
to
it's
go to
summer
the
right
beach,
now.
yeah, it's too hot.
In Maldives, throughout the year, it's almost like this. So it's about 34, don't go above 38.
Hmm.
So
Manageable.
34, maybe sometimes 28. Yeah, it depends.
What is the thing? Is there that it's ruled by the government or it's kingdom?
Well,
Government.
yes. Before we had the kingdom, before 1952. So right now we are a republic country, so we have president.
And you know that only one airport, the Mali was there.
No, we have 22 airports.
22?
Yes.
Such a small nation has 22.
Because,
22
tourism is
airports?
spread all over. Because tourism is all spread over, so a lot of domestic airports are there. We also have 3 international airports, but to the other 2 airports only private jets go.
Only by the private jets.
Yes.
Small. Yeah, because the tourism, no? All our islands, they cannot keep on sending people through boats. Otherwise, it will take 4, 5 hours to be.
But seaplanes are also there. To the most of the resorts, seaplane actually goes. Because, but seaplane it cannot go that far. Mostly they go islands within like 45 minutes. So beyond that, they don't go there. So to the farther part,
You will take a proper plane on the This has picked up in last 10 years. No one knew
Yeah, now
because of that, whatever the resort and everything they create the image.
because now we more than actually have we have almost every hotel brands in the world. So
Yeah, the best
almost
hotels have the collections, the luxury collections.
and more adding year by year. So in this year already 6 more new ones open, and before the end of this year 3 more is going to be open. So next
How
year
are they opening on the new islands or it's
in other parts. So it depends. It's all over.
all over?
Yeah, all over. But in this region, in Malay region, there are the most number of hotels. So we have, I think, 45 hotels are there in this region.
You get cheaper hotel here? or it's all expensive only?
Cheap. So actually, we can call this cheap. Actually, we have. We have most of the resorts are very expensive.
Most of the resorts. No, I mean to say only the hotels. I don't want resorts.
We actually have.
Like a one standing hotel. That's it.
We
Because
do
you
have-
have coming for quarantine. Here.
Yeah, because
For hotel.
actually we live in Dubai. So we came in our vacation. So we were planning like now we don't have any flights from from India to UAE. So we were planning like in case we come to Maldives and go to UAE. But living for 14 days here is too expensive like in this resort.
We
So that's why
actually
we-
do have some islands which is especially for which is called actually local tourism. So in this tourism, what happens is we actually have some like hotels built in a local island. So in this local island, they have a local community, and like they're the part of the island which is especially for tourism. So which is separated, but one thing positive is that you can actually experience the local life in these islands. And also another thing that you can do almost everything that you do in the resort in these islands. Except the only thing that will be lacking is the privacy.
Privacy.
Yes, so we have a lot of islands very famous for local tourism and very cheap.
What are the costs?
Actually, it depends on the season, but even in the highest of season, I don't think it's gonna cost like more than $150 a day. I mean, for everything.
For everything.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Hmm.
We were thinking to like get quarantine and go to Dubai.
Mhm.
Right now, because the flights are keeping on extending. Right now, it's 7th August, and until further they are going to extend because situation in India, Kerala imposed lockdown for 2 days.
There are a lot
Okay.
of Kerala people.
Yeah.
Who visit here? That's what we have seen. Like
Yes,
a
they
lot of
actually, I think they are
Keralites.
traveling to Middle East, and the company they work for, they just put on the resort for quarantine.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So a lot of people here.
Yes, there are a lot of people like there were 50 people are there from Kerala. I think they most works in Qatar or Saudi Arabia, so just to get quarantine they came to Maldives. I think the company, because one of them I met one of them yesterday, and he told the company that they work for, they just put them on the side level for quarantine for 14 days.
Because even in Dubai, like there are a lot of South Indians, like Keralites, Tamils, a lot of South Indians there.
That's what he's telling now. That
Yeah,
the
so-
company only told them
Yeah, to come here.
do 14 days quarantine and then took a flight to Saudi Arabia.
Hmm. And
This
this,
all dots are
All coral reefs.
all. This is all red dots are.
these are,
coral
oh
reefs.
no.
Coral reefs. Because coral reefs, like colorful coral reefs, like coral garden, so
Oh, okay.
they don't grow if it's too hot or if it's too warm. So all of the coral reefs are between 30 degrees north to 30 degrees south.
Oh, okay. So this all. This all no. This is not. This is all sponsored by the Maldives.
No, this is
No.
only Maldives.
Yeah, that's what. Yeah.
This is Maldives coral reef, so this is like Gulf.
Yeah, because this is equator, no?
Equator,
This is
yeah.
equator. It's,
Indian
it's just
Ocean.
saying where does it pass from Maldives.
No, this
That's
is
what-
Maldives.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. This is India.
Yeah. Sri Lanka, yeah.
Oh, it means like more or less because we came from Mumbai.
Yeah, we came from here.
You traveled to India?
I had stayed in India for like 3 years.
Okay,
Where?
where in
In
India?
Mysore.
Ah, Mysore.
Okay.
South India. More of them means you're local, no?
Yeah, I'm local.
Everyone looks like more or less Indian.
Yeah, because we are a mix of cultures, but on most southern part, people are more white compared to like the central part of the most
Oh, yeah,
northern
that's-
part. Yeah. Because before we had a British basement, like from 1800s till 1965, we had a British basement in the most southern atoll. So there have a lot of people got married to the Maldivian women. So in there it's very much
They are all
whiter
foreigners,
compared
yeah.
to
Right, everything.
This seashells, I have seen that what do you call? Mostly I've seen those spherical seashells.
Yes,
Those I've seen a lot.
shells. Shells, we actually, I mean, in each of the most beautiful shell that you see, there will be like a crab on it.
They are
The
like
hermit crab, you know. I
no.
will show you. Because they, I mean, these crabs, they love to occupy the shell as their home. So on the beach, it's very common.
In morning today, I saw like there are corals now which are stuck in the sand. So the people, like the employees here, come and they remove in the morning. So do they sell like all those things
No, they
in the
don't
market?
sell. They just take it to somewhere else because right now we cannot sell corals in Maldives.
No.
Before
So all
it-
those seashells are wasted, which are
No,
extra.
they will be put in somewhere else because they just want to make the beach clean.
Okay.
I mean, walkable by way of it.
Okay.
Because you never had any tsunami.
We actually had tsunami back in 2004 and it almost killed 350 people in Maldives. The
So you would
Indonesia.
have sea rising level. Means if it rains heavy, then there will be a problem in the resort also. That water.
No, actually, it's not happening.
It's not happening. No? That's all. Because we are in the middle of the sea. That's what. So in case if it's heavy rains, then there will be
No, sudden like things happen. in Maldives.
floods.
No. Only like major disaster in Maldives is a tsunami in 2004.
That's all.
Because mostly it came before, I mean, there was no warning before it came here.
What is this? What is this one?
So in Maldives, average height of the land is 1 meter above sea level. So like, no, it's a very, Maldives is like second flattest country of Earth.
Second?
Flattest country
Okay,
of Earth. So 1 meter above sea level. And in this island, so this is the man-made island here. So this is like I think this is like 4 meters above sea level. This
Okay.
island, yeah.
It's man-made means that island. The land was there. We just built the country.
No, man-made means completely built from like water. So
it's made from the bottom.
So before this was a shallow lagoon actually. So
it was shallow. That's why we built it. Yeah, because Dubai also that
yeah,
palms and
that's the same concept in here.
the man-made island. When we are standing, it was the sea.
You will see
ultimately.
like 2 meters, 3 meters, 2 3
Mhm.
meters.
So entire is man-made.
Yeah,
Entire.
yeah, thing is
Because the sea level was 2 to 3 meters. That's why. Otherwise, it was depth and it cannot be made.
yeah. So this is actually the 9 islands that we made here.
Okay.
So we have 9 islands in here, man-made islands. So these are 9 islands. So all the islands are already there, the land is there. So only 3 islands is open for the guests right now. So this is Marina, Sai Lagoon and Hard Rock Hotel. So we have these 6 islands already. So in the making. So this island and this island will be open on 2023.
Okay. So which other resorts are coming there?
So this will be like one of the, exclusive and one of the high-end resorts in Maldives, and I don't know about this one.
Okay.
So this is by a hotel group called Eco Hotels, so which is the largest hotel group in Europe.
Oh. So where is this Taj? Taj is also there, no?
No, this is in here. This is only the part of Crossroads. So only this project. So Taj
okay.
is not here. So
Gotcha.
Taj will be more to this side.
This
But
side.
it's very nearby here. So
Yeah.
all, like 10 minutes by speedboat from here.
Oh, okay.
Okay, Taj is just 10 minutes from here.
Yeah. before COVID actually, to the marina they are just coming from Taj. Yeah.
But this is all resorts only. So
This will be
what
all
about
resorts.
education? Everything will be in the city of Male, no? Means
No,
schools
actually,
and
even in small local island, education are good actually.
okay, there.
Yeah, yes, very good. Even in the like in smallest of island, I mean the children they speak English much better than our language or mother tongue.
Yeah, but what about the hospitals? There is no hospital. But if anything happens, then
You
you need to
I
travel.
mean, if anything gets serious, have to travel to Bali because in every island they have a doctor, like they have like nurses, they have also they have like pharmacy. Even in the smallest of island, even the population is 50 people. So schools, like all these, I mean, all of these things are there. I mean, like even the schools, so we can study from kindergarten till 10th grade in all of the islands in Maldives.
All of that.
Yeah.
But the high school and everything, then they
High school in some we do have some metals. We have some islands in which they teach higher. I mean, like pre-university or like, and also we have some campuses of national university in some of the areas of Maldives. So yeah, it's getting easier for Maldivians to study now.
That's what, yeah.
And also a lot of online courses are there, so we can graduate while working in the resorts now. Yeah. Even on the island.
Because here there won't be any police station will be, everything will be like in that only, in the city only. Here it's completely.
Right now, actually, there are a lot of islands in which they have police stations.
Yeah, they have, no?
Yes, but not many policemen
Crime
are
rates
there.
are- crime.
Because in local islands, crimes are almost unheard of. So it's very low in local islands, but in the capital, it's there.
Yeah.
So, yes.
While many groups of islands have been created, the Maldives have not been created. Let's take a look at when the Maldives were created.
There is a traditional women's way of
It's a traditional place.
Crashing into time and existing underwater.
You're from which part of India?
Mumbai.
Under these perfect conditions of temperature, living organisms begin to colonize around the coral reefs. Living coral
It will be very strict during the time of Ramadan.
Hmm.
Eid and Ramadan.
Yeah, we